If you ever catch yourself in the back of your Jeep wishing you had a place to put down whatever you're holding, this Fishbone Offroad Tailgate Table fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers may be for you. Now, this table will mount to your tailgate and fold down, giving you a spot to put your drink, tools, phone, or really whatever you have in your hands, making your life a whole lot easier. Now, this will integrate cup holders on this side and even have a slide-out cutting board here, making it a must-have when you're tailgating, at a sports event, or stopping down on the trail for lunch. The table, when folded up, will also have MOLLE weave attachments for some additional storage if you need it in the cargo area of your Wrangler. Now, the entire thing is going to be pretty durable as well, made of a 1/8 inch thick steel with a nice black powder coat finish on top. Now, that's going to protect the steel and of course match with any other textured black accessories. You're also getting some pull pin locks here to make sure that it stays shut, and to prevent any rattling, you are going to get some rubber bump stops. Now, I do also like the fact that you're getting a large fishbone cutout right in the middle. That's going to give you some extra branded styling for whenever you open it up. Now, the install will require a little bit of drilling, which isn't completely foreign to tailgate tables, but it is going to be very straightforward and super easy. I would just keep that in mind when taking a look at this table. Now, with all of that being said, this is going to be pretty average when it comes to price when comparing it to other solutions, coming in at roughly $225. Now, what I will say though is that this choice brings a little bit more to the table, pun intended, with the cup holders and the included cutting board. This will be very low profile as well, and it's not going to incorporate as many MOLLE cutouts that some other choices have. However, if you don't necessarily need this for a ton of additional storage, you're really just looking for a solid table solution that comes with a little bit more than the average table, then this is going to be it. Now, getting into install, again, this is going to be easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you no longer than 20 minutes to get this on your JL. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their Jeep and is going to walk you through that process of how to get it onto yours. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools that I used today was a drill, my 9/16 drill bit, a 4 and 5 millimeter Allen wrench, pen, tape measure, and multiple drill bits for my pilot holes. I also used a roll of tape underneath the main vent while drilling, that way I wouldn't drill into my carpet. Start by opening your vehicle's tailgate. Begin removing the air vent interior panels by carefully and evenly pulling out the body clips. The installation will be using these 4 mounting points. Flip the main panel over, and with a tape measure, measure 1 5/8 from this rib. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a mark. Now, from this vent, measure down 3/8. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3. Mark this intersecting point. This will be your drill point. With a drill bit, drill a pilot hole and work your way up to a 9/16. Reinstall the main panel and ensure that the drilled hole lines up with the lowest mounting point. Open up the table and place it against the panel. With the 3 of the smaller bolts, washers, and spacers, secure the top 3 holes with a 4 millimeter Allen wrench. Finally, with the larger bolt and washer, secure the bottom drilled hole with a 5 millimeter Allen wrench. I went back and double checked and made sure that all of my bolts were fully tightened. Now you can enjoy your new Fishbone Offroad Tailgate Table. I wanted to show you something real quick. When I first tried closing the tailgate table, I noticed that the pins didn't quite line up with the hole, and they were both like this on the left and right. But after some, pushing and wiggling, I was able to get them in, and now it does open and close with ease. It was like this on both sides. I think this might have been done on purpose because now, this tailgate table it's shut. It's shut, it's tight, there's virtually no wiggling, and I think it's going to really reduce on rattling. So I just wanted to share that real quick because it was a little nerve-wracking at first, and I did get worried. But it did straighten itself out, and as you can see, it's quite level and straight, and they open and close real easy.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the Fishbone Offroad Tailgate Table, fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers. For more videos and products just like this, remember to always keep a break here at ExtremeTerrain.com.